It's my great pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Let's Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yaku, and in today's video I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to hide your profile picture on WhatsApp, a step-by-step tutorial without any stress. So let's go. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this guide useful and you're fairly new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorials about WhatsApp tricks. So with that being said, let's get started.
Welcome my friends. So let's see how to hide your WhatsApp profile picture and protecting your privacy. Okay, so the first thing you need to bear in mind is that this feature is available with only normal WhatsApp. Okay, so let me show you a step-by-step to follow in order to hide your WhatsApp profile picture. So the first thing you need to do is to click on your WhatsApp app. Now the next thing you need to do is to click on these three dots at the top. Then click on settings. Then click on privacy. Then locate profile photo. Then switch to nobody. So with that, anybody that is in your contact or not in your saving contact on your WhatsApp will not be able to see your profile picture. So this is how to hide your profile picture from WhatsApp, a step-by-step tutorial. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about WhatsApp trick. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.